Hello everyone. In this video of compiler design we are going to see one more example on closure of I, where I is set of LR0 items. Okay, so let's see it. Suppose you have been given a grammar E drives E plus E and E drives E asterisk E and E drives ID. Okay, this is your given grammar. So for this given grammar I am making first of all augmented grammar. Okay, I have already discussed augmented grammar and LR0 items in my previous video, so if you haven't watched that video, please watch it so that you can easily understand it. Okay, so look at here. For this grammar, this is augmented grammar. Okay, and suppose you have been given I equal, suppose E drives E plus dot E. Okay, and you have been asked to find out closure of this I. Okay, so what would be closure of this I? In my first video on closure of I have already discussed one example. Okay, so if you haven't watched that example, please watch it so that you can better understand here. So if you are asked to find out closure of I, first of all include all LR0 items given in set I. So you can clearly see here in this I only one LR0 item given there. So closure of I will include that item, so include it here, include it, just a moment. Okay, include it and include all production if there is a dot and after dot a variable. So you can see here I have already included E drives E plus dot E because it is already in I, and if after dot there is a variable, so for that variable include all productions. So I will include again here E drives dot what E can drive E plus E, E asterisk E and ID. So include it here E plus E. Okay, and what E can drives more, E can drive dot E asterisk E and it can also drive E can drive dot ID. Okay, now close it. Now you can clearly see in closure of I, this is set I. In closure of I, first of all include LR0 items that are already in I, and if after dot there is a variable, so include all production for that variable. Okay, so you can see from here you can see E can drive E plus E. I have included E can drive E plus E, but place dot here. Okay, just after this arrow. Okay, and E can drive E asterisk E, so I have put E can drive E asterisk E and I have put dot here. Again you can see here E can drive ID, so E can drive ID and I have put dot here. And what is significance of dot? I have already discussed in my video on LR0 items. Dot means parser is waiting to see string that can be derived by E plus E term. Here parser is waiting to see string that can be derived by E asterisk E, and here after dot there is ID, so parser is waiting to see string that can have first character as ID. Okay, or parser is waiting to see string ID. Okay, so after dot if there is term, it means parser is waiting to see string that can be derived by this term. Okay, so in this way you can easily calculate closure function for I. And what is I here? I is set of LR0 item. Okay, so thank you everyone, and next video we will see goTo function. Okay, thank you.